This class is about AutoFrame. How can we use AutoFrame in Adobe Premiere Pro? AutoFrame is a feature in Adobe Premiere Pro that uses artificial intelligence to automatically adjust and reframe video content for different aspect ratios. It simplifies the process of adapting videos for various platforms and devices, such as social media or different screen orientations. First of all, select the videos in timeline, and here you can go to the sequence. Click on the sequence. Now here you can see auto reframe sequence. Click on the auto reframe sequence and you can see here different aspect ratios. So select vertical 9:16 ratio and create. Now look at this video here. Here is, look at the sequence setting. Now this sequence setting is turned into 9:16 ratio, 9:16 ratio. So this is this sequence is now turned into 9:16. Now look at the effect control panels and look at the position of the video. This position is automatically keyframing and automatically changing, and these are the keyframes of the video. So go to the down, scroll down, and here you can see, scroll down, and if you want to go to the motion preset, if you want to slow motion, you can slow it, and if you want to faster motion, you can fast it. So these are automatically keyframing used by AI technology in Adobe Premiere Pro. So go to the next, select these clips again and go to the sequence. Now there is auto reframe sequence, select it again, and now what you want, we want vertical 4.5. Select it and then create. Now look at the size of the video. This is the created by AI intelligence in Adobe Premiere Pro. So look at these keyframes. It is automatically generated by Adobe keyframes. It is automatically generated by Adobe Premiere Pro. So if we go to the next, these select these and go to the next. Okay, now this is turned into nest. So go to the sequence again, click on it and auto reframe sequence, and now look at this, don't nest clip, nest clip. Select this one and go to the setting 16.9 or create. Now look at this video and look at this video. This is with nesting option and the other options are without nesting. So we can create sequence with nesting and we can create sequence without nesting. And look at the keyframing of these nesting clips. And down, scroll down, and here you can see auto reframe, analyze, or motion preset. If you want to slow motion or faster motion, you can do with your own choice. In this way, you auto reframe your sequences. After applying auto reframe, you can preview the reframe. Please. After applying auto reframe, you can preview the reframe clip in the program monitor and adjust the settings such as keyframes. You can adjust these keyframes and tracking options to the fine-tune the reframing result is needed. You can readjust the keyframes, and once you are satisfied with the reframing, you can render and export the final video. Premiere Pro will generate a new sequence with the reframed clip ready for exporting in the desired format. Auto reframing Premiere Pro saves time and effort by automatically adjusting the framing and positioning of the main subject within a video clip. It provides flexibility when adapting content to different aspect ratios, ensuring optimal visibility and composition across various platforms and devices. So this is the class about auto reframe.